Dear student, today I will discuss about trigonometry function, sum, sum and difference of two angles. You learned previous class trigonometry ratio, sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. There are six trigonometry ratio. So these value, some positive, some negative, lies in quadrant. So this is first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So now this divide into four part. So this is 0 degree and 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and complete 360 degree. So this is complete, this is 360. So this is first quadrant, all trigonometry ratio positive. So all trigonometric ratio positive. There are six ratio of trigonometry, all these value positive. In second quadrant, so sine, cosec value positive and remaining negative. Remaining means tan, cot, cos, sec value negative, sine, cosec positive in second quadrant. Same way third quadrant, tan, cot positive and remaining ratio negative, that is sine, cosec, cos, sec value negative but tan, cot value positive. And fourth quadrant, cos and sec positive, remaining value negative. So remaining sine, cosec, tan, cot negative value and cos, sec positive value. So now complete angle 360, divide four part in separate four quadrant. So 0 to 90, 90 to 180 and 180 to 270, 270 to 360. So angle, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90, this is the sum of all 360. Now if I will discuss first quadrant, so now if any particle move, so this is 0 to theta degree, make angle theta degree. So this 90 minus, so this angle 90 minus theta, this is acute angle. So lies in first quadrant, trigonometry angle. So first sine 90 minus theta, this is cos theta. Sine cos 90 minus theta, so this is sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta, this is cot theta. And cosec 90 minus theta, this is sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta, this is cosec theta. And cot 90 minus theta, this is tan theta. These value lies in first quadrant. Trigonometry ratio lies in first quadrant. So sine, this is 90, so sine ratio will be changed, sine cos, cos sine, tan cot, cosec sec, sec cosec, cot tan. Value of sine, all value will positive in first quadrant because all trigonometry lies in first quadrant. This is all value positive. So second part, so if this is lies in second quadrant, so this make theta angle, so this is 90, so all angle, so this is angle 90 plus theta. So this sine 90 plus theta is equal to, so sine 90 plus theta, so ratio will be changed, sine cos theta. Value of sine, so this is positive because lies sine, value of sine cosec, positive value in second quadrant. Sine, so sine cos, so cos 90 plus theta is equal to sine theta. Value of cos will negative in second quadrant. Tan 90 plus theta is equal to cot theta. This is value of tan negative in second quadrant. Sec 90 plus theta is equal to cosec theta. Value of sec negative in second quadrant. So cosec 90 plus theta is equal to sec theta, lies in second quadrant, this is positive. So cot 90 plus theta is equal to tan theta. This is value of negative, cot value of negative lies in second quadrant. And third trigonometry ratio lies in third quadrant. So this is third quadrant, so this is 90, this is 180 and 180, so this is 180 analyze theta degree. So angle, total angle 180 plus theta. So this is sine 180 plus theta is equal to, so 180 there is no change ratio, sine theta, so value of sine it lies in third quadrant, so this is negative. Cos 180 plus theta is equal to, so 180 there is no change ratio, so cos theta this is negative value of this. So tan 180 plus theta, so this is tan, so tan theta, because 180 there is no change in ratio, so this is positive. Cot 180 plus theta is equal to cot theta, this is positive value lies in third quadrant. So sec 180 plus theta is equal to minus sec theta, and cosec 180 plus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. So these values lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant tan cot value positive and other remaining negative. So 180 plus something, 180 plus something, 180 there is no change in sine ratio, so sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. So this is sine ratio, sine 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta means, so this is, so first this is 90 plus 90, so 90 plus 90, 180 plus theta, this is theta, all, so total angle 180 plus theta, so lies in third quadrant. So sine 180 plus theta, so there is no change sine ratio, so sine theta, third quadrant, so this is negative value, and cos 180 plus theta, so this is cos theta, so value of cos, so this is lies in third quadrant, this is value will be negative, and tan 180 plus theta, so this is tan theta lies in third quadrant, so tan value positive. So sec 180 plus theta, so this is 180 plus theta, so sec theta, this is value of sec 180 plus theta, negative sec theta, and cosec 180 plus theta, so this is cosec theta, value will be negative. So and also cot 180 plus theta is equal to cot, so this is positive cot 1 cot theta. So these values lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan and cot value positive, remaining value will negative. So sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So 180, this means there is no change sign ratio, sin sin, cos cos, cosec cosec, sec sec sec. This is sec theta. So these values lies in second quadrant. So sin and cosec positive and remaining negative, यानी cosec 180 minus theta minus cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, and sec 180 minus theta, so this is minus sec theta. Tan 180 minus theta, this is minus tan theta, and cot 180 minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. So lies in fourth quadrant. So 270 plus theta sin 270 plus theta. So this is 270 sin ratio change sin cos theta. So value of sin 270 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant. So this is minus, and cosec 270 plus theta is equal to, so cosec sec theta, so this is value minus, and cos 270 plus theta is equal to, so this is cos sin theta, so value positive, and sec 270 plus theta, so sec cosec theta, so value this is positive. Fourth quadrant, cos sec value positive and remaining value negative. So tan 270 plus theta is equal to cot theta, this is negative value, and cot 270 plus theta is equal to, this is minus tan theta, and also 270 minus theta, this means lies in third quadrant. So third quadrant, so sin 270 minus theta is equal to, so minus cos theta, and cos 270 minus theta, so cos this is sin theta, so this is minus value, and cosec 270 minus theta is equal to sec theta, so this is value of negative, and sec 270 minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta, lies in third quadrant. So tan 270 minus theta, so this is minus, plus cot theta lies in third quadrant. Tan cot value positive, so tan positive and cot 270 minus theta is equal to, so plus tan theta. So this value lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant. So tan cot positive value, but remaining value negative. So 360 plus theta or plus theta. So 3 sin 360 plus theta or sin plus theta. So 360 plus theta. So 360 there is no change sign ratio sin. So this is sin theta. Cos 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta. So these values lies in first quadrant. First quadrant all value positive. So cos, so this is cos theta, and cosec 360 plus theta is equal to cosec theta. This is positive. Tan 360 plus theta is equal to tan. So this is tan theta, value positive. So cot 360 plus theta is equal to, this is cot theta, value will be positive because all ratio lies in first quadrant. First quadrant all trigonometry ratio positive. So sin, cos, cosec, tan, cot and also sec 360 plus theta is equal to sec theta. So 360 minus theta, or this is minus theta. So sin 360 minus theta are also sin minus theta is equal to, so 360 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sin value will negative. So minus sin theta. And cos 360 minus theta or cos minus theta is equal to, so this is positive value lies in fourth quadrant, cos value positive, so plus cos theta. And also sec 360 minus theta or sec minus theta is equal to plus sec theta. Tan 360 minus theta or tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. And cot 360 minus theta or cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Cosec 360 minus theta or cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. So 360 minus theta or minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant all So cos and sec value positive and remaining value trigonometry ratio negative. Trigonometry's identities. So first cos x plus y. So cos x plus y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So first identity trigonometry cos x plus y, cos x cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Also cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So sum of two angle trigonometry ratio and difference of two angle in trigonometry ratio cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y plus minus sin x sin y, and second cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, and third sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So sin x plus y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and fourth sin x minus y is equal to sin x sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. And fifth, tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. So sum of two angle in trigonometry function. So tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. Also difference of two angle, tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x into tan y. And same way cot x plus y is equal to 1 minus cot x cot y upon cot x plus cot y. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Cos also sin 2x is equal to sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. So this is formula of sin 2x into cos x and sin 2x is equal to also 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x, and cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus sin square x, and also cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, and cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x, and also 9 sin 3x or tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx, and cos 3x is equal to 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x. And tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan qx upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2, and sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2, and cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos x plus y and plus cos x minus y. Two minus 2 sin x sin y is equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y, and 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, and 2 cos x cos y is equal to sin x plus y and minus sin x minus y. So this formula, revise it. That's all. Thank you.